This is it, the capstone of the whole module. We'll take one messy table, with missing values and mixed column types, and build a single pipeline that prepares it and trains a model, with zero leakage. Everything you've learned, working together. Let's assemble it. Step 1, and it's non-negotiable. Split before anything else. We separate the features from the target, then call train_test_split to carve off a test set, 25% here. From this moment the test rows are sealed away. No transform is allowed to look at them. Two small arguments make that split trustworthy. Random state, set to a fixed number, means you get the exact same split every single run, so your experiments are reproducible and comparable. And stratify keeps the churn rate identical in train and test, here, 42% in both. No lucky or unlucky split skewing your results. Now, our columns aren't all the same, so they need different treatment. The numeric columns, age, income, tenure, get their own little pipeline. Fill missing values with the median, then standardize. The categorical columns, city and plan, get another. Fill with the most frequent value, then one hot encode. A column transformer routes each column to the right branch. Numbers go one way, categories the other. Then we wrap the column transformer and the model into one outer pipeline. Pre-processing first, logistic regression last. The result is a single object that knows how to prepare raw data and make a prediction, end to end. Now the easy part. We fit the pipeline on the training set, one call, and it imputes, scales, encodes, and trains, all learning from training data alone. Then we score it on the sealed test set, around 78% accuracy. And because it's a pipeline, cross-validation is one line. Each fold re-prepares its own data, so every score is honest. Doing that safely by hand would be a nightmare. Step back and look at everything this module gave you. You learned to find missing and invalid values, to impute them, to handle duplicates and outliers, to scale features, encode categories, and engineer new ones, to spot data leakage, and to shut it down with a pipeline. Real machine learning is mostly this: careful, honest data preparation. Get this right, and the modeling is the easy part. The full notebook is yours to run: the messy table, the reproducible split, the column transformer, and the leak-proof pipeline, all in one file. Open it, run it top to bottom, then take the challenges. Prove the leakage guard, add a feature, swap the model. That's Model 4 complete. Beautifully prepared data, ready for whatever model comes next. I'll see you in the next module.